Hi, this is Carolyn Josephs coming to you from my office in Mahopac, New York. And here I have Adobe Photoshop, and I'm going to be working with Adobe Illustrator. And I wanted to show you how they both work. Now, Photoshop is really best for images, and Illustrator is best for type. Otherwise, your type is going to look very pixelated if you try it in Photoshop. Anyway, my new book, Search Engine Optimization workbook, is coming out in the fall, and I wanted to show you one of the chapters is going to be on white hat versus black hat search engine optimization tactics. Now, as you can imagine, black hat tactics are not good. So I figured how better to represent that with a black hat and a white hat. So I purchased these images. Please be sure you use images that are legal, right? And here I have a little bit of a little white here. So I want to just take this and just fix it a little bit so it looks black, completely black over there, a little bit of white over there, and everything else looks pretty good. So I'm going to save this in Photoshop, and then I do an export as, and I save it as a JPEG. Again, this is going to be a printed product, so I want to use high-res images. That is high resolution. So I'm going to export it as a JPEG, okay? And I'm going to put it where the documents go. Okay? And now I'm going to go to my white hat, and as you can see, it looks pretty good, okay? And I'm going to export that as the white hat, okay? And again, as a JPEG, you can see up here it says JPEG. And if you go in the down arrow, you'll see PNG or GIF. But again, for a printed product, I need to have a high resolution image, so it's a JPEG. I'm going to export it. Again, put it where my other files are in that folder for this project. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to quit out of Photoshop. I always save everything. Save early, save often. And then I'm going to take those two, actually I'm going to go into, better yet, Adobe Illustrator, okay? And I have all my little guys my little apps that I use the most often at the bottom on my dock. So you can see Adobe Illustrator is coming up, it's launching. And I'm going to do a new file, right? And I'm just going to, let's see, I don't want to use any of this. So I'm just going to say letter, right? And I can change this anytime. I can change, let's see, the setup to portrait. I can always change all that. But right now, actually what I want to do, I think I'm going to do is common. Use that one. All right, now I'm going to go into File. This is Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to go Place. All right, and I'm going to look for my files. I'm going to go back to the folder I was in. And I'm going to take the JPEG files, and I'm going to take both of them, okay, at the same time, and I'm going to put them in. I'm going to place them. Okay, and there we go, and there we go. So, okay, as you can see, it came in rather large. So that's where I go to, under Edit, I go to, actually in here, it's under Object, Transform, Scale. You always start at 100. You can see over here 100. And I'll go start with 25 because it came in rather large. And I can see how, let's see, I'll do this. I can see how big it is. That's not bad. You want to start, when you're doing images, you want to start larger and scale down. Okay, so that's not bad. Now the white one is over here. There you are. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go to Object, Transform, Scale. Now it's at 25 as you can see here, so I'm going to go back to 100. Okay, it's very important to do that. And then I'm going to go, okay, and I'm going to, help if I clicked OK. And then I'm going to go to Object, Transform. And the other one was 25. I want to make them both the same size. So as you can see, there we are. Look at that. See how nicely they fit together? And they work really well together. I get my floating tools out of here. As you can see, they both are separate images, very separate images, and I can work with them. And now I'm going to put the text over it. So that's in my next video, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.